is shining.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Sarah. Welcome to my channel. So today is kind of like a different day. I have no plans today. I'm at home. We're not at the trailer. So I was like, what could I do today that is special? So recently, Rugi's over here. He has been suffering with some anxiety because like we're moving around a lot. We're like at the trailer, at home, at the trailer, at home, and he's not 100% comfortable in the trailer yet. So I thought we could have a little day date today, and I've been watching some of the Upstate Canine Academy No Bad Dogs videos and some of the training, and I kind of want to work on training with him today. So we're gonna go to Pet Value. He needs a new toy. I found this really awesome toy for him. He eats through toys, and this one's really good. And then sorry, someone texted me and then my train of thought went like, woo! So yeah, I'm gonna get him a new toy, then some new treats, and I'm gonna see if they have the Herm Springer prong collar there, and I want to try the prong collar. And then where we live is very rural, so I'm gonna take him in town for a walk, just a short one because I can't do too much with my foot, but we're gonna go for a short walk in town and see if we can like find some other distractions like dogs and people and stuff and work through that because I've been watching. So I'm gonna use the prong collar on him, as well as his e-collar, just to vibrate when he's like focused on something, leave it. And I mean, he's not awful. He's not an awful dog. Like the dogs in these videos are way worse than him, but he's very, very, very smart. He's a cattle dog. He's meant to work. And so if he starts a habit, he doesn't let go of it. And so I want to work through that, and he needs a job. And so we used to do agility, and that really helped him, and I can't do that right now with my foot. So we're gonna work on some training, and that will get his mind going and also make him more confident. He's a very nervous dog, so he needs more confidence, and just training is like work to him, and so we'll give him a little job to do today. So that's what we're doing. I might get a Starbucks, just having a little mommy and doggy date day. And then we have to cut the grass later. I texted my friend to see if she wanted to have a drink later because she lives near me, but she has to take her kids to appointments. So I don't know what we'll get up to today, but this is what we're starting out with. It's currently 9:14, so let's head to the pet store. Okay, so we are back, and I got these Benny Bullies as like a high value treat. This Westpaw toy is amazing. I bought one of these for Ruger a few months ago. It has holes. It came kind of part of the seam there, but for the amount of play he got with it and how aggressive he was with it, it held up so well. So it's starting to like crack around the seam, so I wanted to get a new one just to be safe. And they're only $20, and he's got so much use out of it, and I'd rather him play with this than a stick. So then I also got him a Herm Springer collar, and this was the medium, I believe, and it worked so well. We already went around town with it, and the girl there though gave me incorrect information. So she told me that that was too small for him and that I needed extra, whatever these are called. So I bought extra, and then I put him on him, and it was literally hanging off his neck. And then I watched a video from Upstate Canine Academy, and that's totally incorrect. Like, they shouldn't be hanging off. That can really damage their back. So I'm glad I watched that video. So I took a few off, and although maybe I can return them, anyways, we'll see. But now it's correctly fitted for him and works really well already. Even though it was incorrect, I already know that it works, so that's good. So yeah, 3 of these are $14.99, so I'm definitely gonna return them now that I know that that's not how it's supposed to be. So tonight we're making, oh, I love all the colors of that. Tonight we're making turkey tacos with these as like the chips. So I have a whole bunch of mini peppers cut up. Then over here we have the turkey cooking, ground turkey, and then I'm gonna put some taco seasoning on it and add it on with some cheese, and I'll show you, but it's gonna be really good, I think. I forgot to video these when they were done, but this is what they look like, and I ate a chunk. It was so good, so worth it. Try making these. Good morning. So I'm not really sure where I left off with my last day, but I think it was just the morning. So right now I'm just having an egg with hot sauce on it, watching some YouTube, and waiting for a call. I have a call appointment at soon. And so anyways, that's what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna do my workout, and then I'm going to get ready because I have to run the beer cart today. But it's women's league, which like they tend to buy less, so I don't know, it's probably gonna be a really long day, but it's beautiful out today. Yesterday it rained all day, which was actually like super nice. I was really into it, but today's beautiful out. And so that should be fun. And so yeah, gonna do my workout, get ready, and then I will see what happens. I should probably clean up a bit. We just got back from the trailer. We were there for, oh gosh, a long time, 4 or 5 days. So I have a lot of laundry I'm doing, and I need to do like wash the bed sheets here and stuff. And then as of right now, my aunt and uncle are actually renting out our house from us for the month of September because they bought a new build and it's not ready. So I need to get some stuff done for that. And just kind of plan ahead what I'm gonna need at the trailer, because we're gonna be living in the trailer for that month. So I'm gonna have to like slowly bring everything back there. But this week I have to work today and tomorrow on the beer cart, and so that's Wednesday and Thursday. And then Friday I'm looking after those dogs again that I looked after my 2 videos ago, I think. So I'm gonna be looking after them again, so have to prepare for that also, everything I'm gonna need. So it's gonna be a busy week, but that's good because I like getting work in and doing like my different hobbies, like watching dogs, doing the beer cart. And then next week I have makeup at a wedding. I do makeup at weddings, so my first one of the year, and I'm excited for that too because it's been a while because of COVID. So I did one last year, the whole year. I just do it on the side, like, and when she needs me, so I don't run my own. But yeah, I only did one last year and I only did one this year, so I'm like kind of out of practice. So I'm like, maybe I should do my own makeup and like make sure that I still got it going. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna finish eating this and waiting for my phone call. Forgot to show my new ring. So for our first year anniversary, Derek got me a second wedding band. I forget, like, I think it's like a tradition or something, because that's what she told us when we were in the store. But so he got me a second wedding band, but it's a size too small, just a half a size actually. So I'm gonna bring it back and get it exchanged, and also I'm gonna get all my rings fused together. So this is what it looks like now. Oh gosh, there. So I used to only have this one band and my ring, and then I put another one on top. So I love it, I'm obsessed. I feel like it looks more completed now. And I'm going to get them, all 3 of them, fused together because they spin, so then you can't see the sparkles on the one side. So once they're all fused, then they'll stay like that. and I love it. I think it looks so good, and now it's all completed. And it looks more sparkly, which is never a bad thing, so I have to do that sometime, go back there and get it fixed, but that is probably for another month because this month is crazy. So not this month, but maybe in the fall I'll get that done. So I just meal prepped a ton of these hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot, 5 minutes on pressure cook and then 5 minutes on slow release, and I made them in these containers I've showed in another video. Super quick, you just pop them in here and then pop them out, and you don't have to peel them after, which is amazing. So now I have all these ready to go for the week. Now after that sweaty workout, it's shower time. I'm just gonna take out something for dinner, and I might throw it in the Instant Pot on slow cook, so that because I don't get home till 7 or after 7, and Derek just doesn't really cook that much. So if I throw in, I think I'm gonna just throw in some chicken with some ranch seasoning and maybe a little bit of buffalo sauce, so some like buffalo chicken in the slow cooker, so then it'll be ready. We can throw it on a wrap or make salad or something.
Ask the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah, try the pedal to the pavement. Always dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger.
Okay, I am all ready for work. I'm just gonna put on some deodorant and then go play with Roogs for a minute because he's gonna be left alone. So I also just threw 2 chicken breasts into the slow cooker and then put in some of this Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. This stuff is super low calorie, and obviously, like, who doesn't like ranch? And then I mixed in with that some, oh, I haven't put it away, some Frank's buffalo sauce. So it's like buffalo chicken, and then, yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet. Okay, so this is how the chicken turned out. It smells really good, and then my husband got home first, so he put on fries. So we're just gonna have, I'm gonna have a few fries along with that chicken. I had a good day at the golf course, and going to at it again tomorrow if the weather holds up. So I'm gonna eat this. I feel so tired. Also, Love is Blind has a new season today, so you bet you know that we'll be watching that tonight, as well as maybe going for a walk. We're getting AC tomorrow, which is super exciting. So my husband's just putting together the pad for it to sit on, and then eat, go for a walk, watch Love is Blind. Perfect night.